clearly what we're talking about here with sanctuary policies, they're not just standing aside. They're standing in between the federal government and an individual that they are trying to deport and who should be deported from this country. They're not being compelled to enforce immigration laws. They're being asked to hand over an individual for a legitimate law enforcement purpose, just like every other law enforcement agency does and cooperates with other law enforcement agencies routinely. Just like this analogy doesn't apply. When the Washington, D.C. police hand over someone who's wanted by the state of California on a warrant, they're not enforcing California law, they're cooperating, and that's what ICE is asking for. And ICE is really the only agency that is blocked in this way. And the other reason that we know that these issues of constitutionality and cost are not really the purpose for sanctuary policies, because when ICE then does offer to pay for any costs to that agency for holding that individual, the sanctuaries still say no. So, ICE has done everything it can to try to overcome these supposed excuses for not cooperating, and they still don't cooperate. Why doesn't ICE give criminal warrants? Number one, there's no such thing. And any agency that asks for a criminal warrant with a detainer might as well ask for it to be delivered by a blue unicorn on a silver platter, because it doesn't exist. They know it doesn't exist. It's just a way of giving themselves some cover. What this debate is really about is who gets to decide when the immigration laws will be enforced. Our Constitution clearly gives authority over immigration matters to Congress. And Congress has written laws that give ICE the tools that they need to enforce the law, and also says that sanctuary policies are illegal. So sanctuaries are substituting their judgment for the federal judgment, and that is the problem. That is what's unconstitutional.
And William,